foundation. Then as you are using it, you are just pressing it to your skin. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Yes, this is Deck Beauty. Today I want to show you proper way to use beauty blender. This is what we call beauty blender. Yes, if you want to apply foundation on your face, we now discover that beauty blender is the best to apply foundation on your face. And there are some mistakes some people make during the time they use the beauty blender. So these are the little mistake. Some people, before using the beauty blender, they just make sure the beauty blender, they apply little water to make sure that the beauty blender is so soft. They apply water. That is very wrong. That is very wrong. Number one, don't apply water. Never apply water on your beauty blender. These are the reason when you apply water on your beauty blender to making it soft, by the time you start using that beauty blender to apply that foundation on your face, that water on it is just taking off the, like my face. I already primer my face now. I already applied primer cream. I already applied primer cream on my face already. By the time you now use beauty blender, wet soak little bit with water, using it as you are using your beauty blender to apply foundation, you are just taking off that primer cream oil block that is underneath. You are taking it off. You are just clean. It's like it's just like the same thing that you are taking off face wipes. You are using face wipes to clean your makeup. That is the same. That is the only way I can describe it. Never you use beauty water to soak your beauty blender. This is what we call beauty blender. Okay, this is the best way to make, if you want to make it softer. Don't use water. Always use setting spray. Setting spray. Always spray setting spray. What is setting spray? Setting spray is what we use to set our face after makeup. But according to all these big celebrity makeup artists, I always ask questions. I always ask them questions. So there are some things people don't tell. They will not like to open it up. So you'll be wondering, your primer cream is not active the way you want it. Your oil block is not active the way you want it. You will not even imagine that the primer cream you use already, you already clean it up with your beauty blender. Because beauty blender with water will take off your, it's just wiping, it's just cleaning the primer cream. So this is the best way. This is the best way. This is the trick. Because if I do makeup, you can take it you can take it for 2 days. If you can take it, the makeup will still be there. Use setting spray. Setting spray. So use setting spray. These are what we call setting spray. Like this is how to, and make sure just spray it like this. Once you apply setting spray, then you make sure you squeeze it together like this. Now your beauty blender is very soft. So that setting spray liquid is different from water. This setting spray that you just spray on it is going to, when you use the beauty blender, now as you can see, the beauty blender is very soft because I already applied setting spray. Now I want to use it. This setting spray, once this setting spray and this beauty blender touch my face, is the beauty blender is going to set up more the primer cream I already applied. we just make it to block, we block it more. I don't really know how to explain, but hopefully I know you understand. Okay, this is my foundation. This is my foundation. All this my product, I sell them. In case you have interest, inbox me. My number is there. Okay, always buy good beauty blender, soft one, soft. Let it be soft one. Don't go and buy hard, strong beauty blender. Always go for the soft one. And before using it, you apply setting spray to soften it more. Don't ever apply water. So this is my foundation. If I want to apply foundation, and I use 2 color, but today I will use 1 color because I just want to show you the proper way to use beauty blender. See, this is the proper way. As you can see, this edge here, this tip, don't use this tip in like this. No. If you want to apply beauty blender, you see the body. You can use the body or use this place. Use this area. So, especially if you want to do this edge here, you can use this tip to do it, to just apply. But don't use this tip here like this to do in the area of the face. Make sure you use this tip in this area. Okay, let's go. As you can see, my face is full of spots. Beauty blender, just take your foundation. Then as you are using it, you are just pressing it to your skin. One of my teachers always say, dab it to your skin. Dab it. Don't scrub. Don't scrub like you are just moving. You are, see the way I'm doing it. Pressing it. Climb. All this my foundation. I sell it. If you have interest, I post worldwide. I post it to you. You send me your picture without makeup. I will know the right color to give to you. You see the way? Just dab it as you are doing it. And another thing, stretch your face like this. Because if you stretch, that's your skin stretch. Then this area, always bring this your eye down like this. Okay. Okay, right now let's do this side. See? Press, just touch like this. And anytime you want to apply foundation, always use beauty blender. So people still make that mistake. They still use brush. Brush is not good. Brush is just like, if you use brush to apply your foundation, it's like you are scrubbing the primer cream you already apply. You are just moving there up and down. Brush, that is what brush does. When you use brush to apply foundation, you stretch. So always use beauty blender. If you want to do this area, you do like this. You take your neck up. So if you want to apply foundation, don't end there. Always don't apply. Don't just take a lot of foundation with this brush, with this beauty blender. Just touch back of your ear so that your face and your neck go along same color. Okay. So if you want to know how to apply makeup step by step, episode by episode, I have it on my YouTube channel. I have some with explanation. I have some without explanation. Okay. If you want to know how to do gele on your head, by yourself. I have the video as well. If today is your first day you come across this channel, we are into gele, makeup, bridal hair, and the traditional bridal hairstyle. Just tag me any traditional bridal hairstyle. We give it to our customer the way they want it. We sell makeup product as well. We sell oil perfume. We post worldwide. We do photo shoots. If you want to do your birthday photo shoot, marriage photo shoot, anniversary photo shoot, children photo shoot, any form of photo shoot, we do photo shoots. Yes, my number is there. This is the proper way to use a beauty blender. Beauty blender. This is the proper way. Like this, my face is, in fact, this face is baked. I bake. Okay. I just believe you have learned one or two things. I always tell people, focus your eye on my hand, what I'm doing. Some people will come here, they will come and focus on the English. This place, this channel is not a grammar. It's not a grammar channel. This is a beauty channel. We teach the little things we know. We share our idea with people. So that is it. That's the proper way to apply beauty blender. Thank you. Please share to your friends and family, your loved one. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, this is just foundation. Maybe if we want to continue, we will continue with highlighting, contour for the full coverage. But if you want to know how to do full coverage makeup, go to my YouTube channel, Deg Beauty. You will see all the video are there. If you want to know how to, I always go on live on Facebook, Deg Beauty as well. I have many videos there with explanation that will help you get a video, makeup video. Try and learn. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye. Christmas is coming. Christmas is at the corner. Place your order. Biko. Let me show you my small shop. I have everything. As you can see, I have everything. I have everything you need. I have the big, I have this oil perfume, the big one. I have the small one. They smell so good. Very good. Oh, everything you need, I have it. As you can see, you see my face before the foundation. Now you can take a look. We do it together. You know, there are some video we don't do together. Those are the video we edit. So this one, the video with talking, it's like live. I'm doing live. The video with talking, I'm just talking. That one, there is no cutoff. So that is it. This is Deg. Bye. See you on my next video. Please come and buy. Oh, come and buy. Come and do your shopping. Buy for your loved ones. Christmas gift. You can use it as Christmas gift. Okay. Bye.